Welcome back to my channel. And welcome if you are here for the first time. Please consider subscribing to my channel so that you do not miss on my videos when I upload. Last week, I was not able to post a video because I was damn busy and I did not have any in store. I am very sorry to you all. I am back with this amazing and colorful beaded choker tutorial, and I hope you are going to love it. You will need a pair of scissors, thread, needle and beads. I will start with colors red and white. Pick 8 white beads and 12 red beads with your needle and thread. Pick 3 red beads and pass through the 4th red bead. Get another set of 3 beads. Pick 2 red and 1 black. Pick 3 white. Pick 3 white. Pick 3 white. Pick 2 white and 1 black. 3 red. Take 3 red. Bye. See you tomorrow on the next part. How to continue with the pattern as shown on the thumbnail.